Many people speak English alone but becomes fear in front of others. Why? Because their fear changes their mind. Hey, you, I'm Vignesh. Today, let us learn how to speak English in front of public without fear and with confidence. First, understand this. Even confident speakers feel sometimes nervous. Confidence doesn't mean zero fear. Confidence means speaking despite fear. So, start small. Do not suddenly force yourself large people. Speak with yourself first, then speak with one friend, then speak with small group. Slow practice, slow improvement creates long lasting confidence. Another important thing is stop try to impress everyone. Focus on expressing your thoughts clearly. Simple English spoken is more powerful than speaking difficult English with fearfully. Your voice become strong through usage. The more you speak publicly, the more you feel confidence. Every small conversation is practice. Every small effort matters. Comment below, have you ever felt nervous in speaking English in front of public? What happened? I will read your comment. One day the stage that scared you will become the place where you shine. Learn, practice, express, grow, and let us continue this journey together. Subscribe the Grant Vignesh, then like and share this video to your best friends because English is not just a language, it is a key to unlock your knowledge, mindset, culture, and opportunity. All the best.